Now those images you've just seen, they're quite obviously generated by AI, and they're quite obviously supposed to be really extreme versions of a rundown northern town. But when you think about a northern town, sometimes that's the kind of view that comes to mind. And it's a real shame. Now I'm lucky because I get to live somewhere like this. But one of my closest towns is Keighley. And I want to prove that Keighley is not as bad as you think. So come with me. Right, I'm here. I've made it to the town centre. I just need to find something nice now. I'm not really bothered what it is. I don't know, a flower, nice bench, pigeon that isn't dead. Right, I've cheated a little bit with this one, you're going to have to forgive me, but this is East Riddlesden Hall, which is just outside Keighley. It may as well be part of the same town, but it's absolutely stunning, as you can see from these photographs. There's loads of history here. It's used as a bit of a wedding venue. You can come out for days out. It's owned by the National Trust. I recommend it to anyone. So this is part of the Leeds to Liverpool Canal. No, the Marquis of Granby. Sounds very Downton Abbey, doesn't it? What's really unique about this place is the wildlife. I love walking on canal and seeing all the canal boats. Love how much people look after them. So this is the very centre of Keighley. This is the oldest part of town next to the church on Church Green. There's a lovely pub there that belongs to Tim Taylor's. The churchyard's lovely, and just look how much attention's been put into these flowers. Absolutely beautiful. And these are the memorial gardens in the centre of town. Bradford Council have spent an awful lot of money on this. So this place is pretty well kept. So these are the gardens of Cliffe Castle. These are beautiful. I remember coming here as a kid, and I remember this little aviary. And obviously when you're little, everything looks bigger, doesn't it? It's tiny. There's a few budgies. I tried to make a joke here about a cockatoo, but I failed miserably. Typical, it's starting to rain now. But I do remember coming down here as a little kid, and I absolutely loved it. I remember there was a little cave here. I used to call it a cave. Looks like I can't get through now. You can't deny that that's pretty nice. So these are the gardens of Cliffe Castle. They're actually really well kept. So this was Cliffe House or Cliffe Hall, something like that, before it became Cliffe Castle. It became Cliffe Castle in the 1800s when Henry Isaac Butterfield bought it. And he was one of Keighley's kind of biggest show-offs, really. He had royal visits. He added turrets and towers to the house to make it more of a castle. And these days it's somewhere we come for a wander and a cup of tea. Only in Keighley, eh? Bandstand. I haven't seen that. It's really starting to rain now, but that sign back there said that there was a bandstand. Now I can't see a bandstand, but I need to find it. Ah, spotted it. Yeah, I was expecting some kind of Victorian stone-built intricate bandstand. I think it's well, like a bus shelter. Right, I'm getting far too wet now in this rain. You'd think I'd be used to it, wouldn't you? Living in Yorkshire. This is somewhere else I've never been. But this is Keighley Tarn. It's quite a cute little place. But I'm not going to hang around too long. Because I think if it gets dark, there might be some doggers. On a clear day though, up here you can see for miles. I'm just looking over there and I'm pretty sure I can see the skyline of Leeds. I might have got the bearings completely mixed up. I've just come a little bit further down the road from Keighley Tarn. And like I said, this is somewhere I've never been before. this was a surprise to me, but over there, that's the Yorkshire Dales. You can see right up into North Yorkshire, the Skipton, and then beyond that, you've got the Dales and then the Lake District. Something that is pretty special, Keighley railway station. I'll show you why. Right, I've had to improvise here, but has your town got a steam railway? So I've had a really good wander around Keighley, as you've seen. Can I say it's beautiful? Probably not. Can I say it's got some potential? Yes, it does. Yeah, it's got its problems like everywhere else, but I wouldn't class it as a... Right, let's get on the old AI and see what the best pub is in Keighley, because I need a beer. What's it saying? The best pub in Keighley is the Boatmaker's Arms. Well, you're going to have to wait until a future video to have a look at the Boatmaker's Arms. Apparently it is the best pub in town. But what I want to do is make a complete separate video, and I'll visit maybe 5 pubs in a row. We'll go to the best one, and we'll go to the worst one, whatever that is, and then we'll go to a few pubs in between. So if you can recommend the worst pub in Keighley, then drop me a comment below. But in the meantime, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Sign up to the channel, subscribe to it, and then you don't miss any nonsense that I start posting in the future. And thanks for watching.